Do you need to memorize notes, scripts, or vocabulary for a new language? If you want to learn faster and retain more information, the Memory Helper app is exactly what you need. Are you wondering how a simple mobile app can genuinely help you master retention? Stick around and watch this. First things first, open the app. When you launch it, this is the exact screen you'll see on your phone. You have three easy ways to get your text into the app. You can type or paste content directly, or if you have an existing document, you can load a TXT file. Even better, use the OCR button, optical character recognition, at the bottom to scan your physical notes or scripts directly into the app. Now that we have our text ready, we have two options to start learning. You can hit play right here on the edit screen, or you can click the processed button. The key difference is that one mode is dedicated to editing and creating your text,
Here's the thing. Here's the thing.
while the other, the processed view, is dedicated to an enhanced reading and memorizing experience. Now that you have the basic knowledge of how to input and start, let me explain the magic behind how this app helps you truly memorize your content. When you hit play,
If you're like me, you probably grew up with the classic Linux command line tools such as ls, cat, do. These commands have carried me through countless scripts and late-night debugging sessions. Here's the thing. While these tools do the job, they can be plain-looking and difficult to use for certain tasks.
the app does something unique. Instead of just reading the entire script continuously without stopping, like typical text to speech apps, Memory Helper pauses after every single line. This calculated pause gives you enough time to actively repeat the text back, either silently in your mind or by speaking it out loud. This process of active recall is why the app works so well for memorizing notes. To truly experience this power, you'll want to download the app and test it for yourself. I've provided the link in the description, and you will be able to download it once the current closed testing period is complete. Let's dive into all the features so you can completely master the app and use it more effectively. We've already covered how the OCR and play buttons get you started. Now let's open the sidebar. Here you'll find your file management tools. The new file button lets you create a fresh document. We've seen how load works. It opens your saved text files. And of course, save file saves your current work. Next, let's explore the crucial playback settings. Speech rate. This controls how fast or slow the
January
text is
13,
read by the
19...
app. Pitch. Easily change the pitch of the voice to your preference. Pause. Multiplier. This is very important. It allows you to precisely control the duration of the
January
pause
13,
between lines.
1999.
This
The tune went
way,
off
you
no-
can customize the timing to feel completely comfortable with
January
whatever
13.
repetition method you are using. Repeat count. This is also a major feature. It lets you
January
set how
13,
many times you want a
1999.
single line to be repeated. If we type
January
2
13,
here, you
1999.
can see the app repeats that line 2 times before moving on.
January 13.
Moving on, we have dark and light mode, so you can choose whichever viewing preference you like best. The Recent Files section opens a list of all your recently opened documents. From here, you can edit the names of your files or delete them to keep your list tidy. The Voice button lets you choose the voice and language for your text playback. Click on Show More Voices to select voices based on your own preferences and languages. You also get a convenient option to preview the voices before selecting them. If you love a voice, it will show up here in this section to make it easier to choose next time. If you have a great idea, you can submit a special feature request directly to me via email from here. And finally, the Rate Us button will take you to the Play Store, where you can rate the app or check for updates. If you want to see how this app works again, you can click here to watch the video from YouTube one more time. In the Resource tab, I will be sharing helpful content and tips, especially for students. That's everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. For any updates or news, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.